Hey guys, it's Erin aka StrawberriChan with pink hair and I'm back with another video. So it is another boop spooky box unboxing time. It feels like forever since I got one of these and like I really enjoy getting them. I think it's just because I like how each one is a different spooky theme. This wig, it keeps like, I'm not used to having this kind of wig, so it's like it just keeps moving in my face. And this theme is creepy cozy. So if you don't know what spooky box is, they are a monthly subscription box service where it's every 2 months, I think. They give you, my hat's going away, my hat's moving, where they give you a monthly subscription box where they give you a box every 2 months with a different spooky theme, and all the stuff is hand designed, as I'm aware of. So let's waste no more time and let's get in. This is Thank You Boo Spooky Box Club. This is thank you for the purchase. We hope you love your goodies as much as we enjoyed creating them. If you need any assistance, contact us at info@spookyboxclub.com. Tag us on Instagram with your photos featuring the items you purchased. We love to post and share our favourites. We hope you will shop with us again soon. And I really like the little print that is on there. I love the little ghosts and candy and the little pumpkin. We have a bunch of stuff. So this is the list of things we have in Creepy Cozy. So I can't wait to see what we get. I don't like looking at the list. I like to be surprised. The first thing I see is, I think this is a scarf. Oh, it's a neck warmer. My bad, it's a neck warmer. So I've never had a neck warmer. I thought this was a scarf. So it's this really nice neck warmer and it's got moons and it's black and white and it's got this nice little print on. It has the little spooky box thing on the side there. I really like that. I would try it on, but I want to keep it nice because it's starting to come out of winter into spring, but I still would wear this. It is like so cute because I'm going away with my boyfriend in a couple of weeks actually, so if it gets cold I might take this with me. Oh, and it's got bats. I've just noticed the bats. So it's got little bats and you can reverse it. Is it reversible? Yeah, so it's reversible and you can have it in black and white, and you can see, I think actually I like it in the black and white detail more, just because the bats stand out and it looks really cool. Yes, we have our spooky box pin, which is the skeleton key pin. It's really different from the other pins I've gotten in their boxes so far. So it is a Victorian reproduction piece, custom made, collectible, spookybox.com. I will be putting that on my denim jacket as soon as this video is over. But how cute is that? I really like that. I love Victorian style things. I love Emily Autumn and all that aesthetic. It's just so good. I know I don't look it today, but Emily Autumn's my queen. But I love that. I'm going to put that on my denim jacket. I'll just hold it up into frame so you can see a bit better. And of course we've got some sweets. So this is Ice Bombs, giant size. I think this is extreme mint. I don't like mint though. But yeah, I think this is like minty bubble gum. I'm not a fan of mint though. I'm sorry, I don't really like mint. It just hits me weird. But we got some sweets. I always like this box because you get sweets in it. In Spooky Box you always get like a nice little necklace. Like my favorite one is the coffin one I got. So this one is oh, it's like an antler. So I'll hold that out for you so you can see. It is a little, I don't know if it's an antler. Yeah, it's like an antler. I can't I'll hold the pendant in frame, but it's on a nice little thin chain. Oh look, and it's got a little acorn, so it's like, oh, it's a stick, so it's like a twig and an acorn to like resemble the whole winter vibes. I love that. That is so cute. It's very cute and simple, and it will go with a lot of clothes I have. So I'm gonna hang that on my little necklace hanger. Yeah, I have a necklace hanger here. This is a little hot water bottle. Oh my god, that's so cool. I've never had a hot water bottle ever in my life, and I don't really use them a lot, but I love how it says cozier than a coffin at midnight. Oh my god, that is so cool. Especially when I come back from dancing and I'm really sore in my joints. This is perfect, so I will be using this. It is so cute. I love the purple and the black. I think that's a really nice color scheme. I'm going to unbox it actually. I'm going to open it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's this nice soft fabric. It's really cozy. It's like really soft and like it's like this nice velvety fabric. I love the cozier than a coffin thing. That's brilliant. It's even got, again, it's got the little spookybox.com spookyboxco little thing on the side there. That is so cool. It's really soft. I can't stop like stroking it. That sounds so weird, but it looks so cute. I love it. It's gonna be like my new favorite thing. I'm obsessed with this, guys. It's so cool. Again, I can't wear earrings, guys, but if I wore earrings I would wear these. These are so cute. Like I don't have my ears pierced, unfortunately, because I just don't like getting my ears done because I always forget to change them. Like I'm happy with just leaving one pair of earrings in, but oh my god, these make me want to get my ears pierced again because they're so cute. I'll probably give them to my mom because she's got her ears pierced. Oh, I could use this as a Valentine's Day card maybe for my boyfriend. Oh, it's so cute. So if there's anyone who wants a ghostly greeting card from me, you will get this. It's so cool. I love it. So it's like, I don't write a lot of cards out. I mostly like write little messages, but I will write a card to someone and be like, look at this cute little card you got. Isn't that adorable? I love the ghosts and everything, and it's just, oh, so cute. I love it. So that was the spooky box unboxing, the creepy cozy, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, did I get that right? Cozy box. I really like it. I like how there's a bunch of different things in there, and it's not just like your typical like necklaces and a shirt and whatever. You get like a bunch of like really useful things, so I like that. That is really good. So yeah, guys, if you do like the video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. If you do love it, please subscribe to the channel because we really want more of you on the fam, in the pink-haired sparkly blobfish fam that we are. And yeah, and if you don't like it, poo you, while watching the video, go eat Pocky and smile. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is coming out soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.